In this video, you'll learn different stand fors. Full form of ECAT, Engineering Colleges Admission Test. Full form of FM Frequency Modulation. NTP, full form of NTP, Network Time Protocol or Normal Temperature and Pressure. NADRA, full form of NADRA, National Database and Registration Authority. SMS, full form of SMS, Short Message Service. KHz, full form of KHz, Kilohertz. Full form of LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas. Full form of CNG, Compressed Natural Gas. Full form of STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. Full form of kV, Kilovolt. Full form of kW, Kilowatt. Full form of MW, Megawatt. Full form of IT, Information Technology. Full form of IC, Integrated Circuit or Intelligence Corps. Full form of JHZ, Gigahertz. Full form of MCAT, Medical College Admission Test. Full form of MDS, Master in Dental Surgery. Full form of FCPS, Fellow of the Royal College of Physicians and Surgeons. Full form of NEPRA, National Electric Power Regulatory Authority. Full form of ICU, Intensive Care Unit. Full form of FRCS, Fellow of the Royal College of Surgeons. Full form of PEMRA, Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority. Full form of CTBT, Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. Full form of DNA, Deoxyribonucleic Acid. Full form of EDBD, Engineering Development Board. Full form of COMSAT, Communication Satellite Corporation. Full form of NPN, Negative Positive Negative. Full form of ESA, European Space Agency. Full form of EPA, Energy Production Agency. Full form of CT scan, Computerized Axial Tomography Scanning. Full form of PTA, Pakistan Telecommunication Authority. Full form of radar, Radio Detection and Ranking. Full form of HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Full form of HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Full form of CD-ROM, Compact Disc Read Only Memory. Full form of MSN, Microsoft Network. Full form of www, World Wide Web. Full form of SARS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. Full form of CD, Compact Disc or Civil Defense or Community Development. Full form of DVD, Dynamic Versatile Disc. Full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel, like my channel, Thank you so much.